Are we ready for our day 6 tonight? Hey guys, tomorrow is day last. Tomorrow is day last. It is not nice. It is the last day tomorrow. So please, please, let's try ukuthi sibambe mathuba ne. Azame nikubambe mathuba. All right. So let's start with creating irresistible offers. So let's see here. Let's see here. So today we're going to craft irresistible offers. We are going to do a psychology, the closing sequence. Yeah, the party lane, especially these three parts, they are very, very important because, like I said, kutsi kuba ne business, pinze kuba ne product, it doesn't matter if you cannot package it and market it ngendlela le tawutsandwa bantu. So ungaba naso skill sakho, ungaba nayo product yakho, but if bantu bangeke bayithande product yakho, then you and I are going to have a problem because ultimately down business in. So business is all about the ability to sell. Like I always say, Guti, if you cannot sell, then you are in trouble. You're not supposed to be doing business. You would rather have someone else to taxita with the marketing ne. If uvangathi wena you cannot do marketing well, nabe uyadata nje ukuthi athi kuthini akusiyo info yami because angeke uyi-force vele ngenta ukuthi wena unayo le mali ekucala ibhizinisi, unayo imali ekuranje ibhizinisi but nje ulekha ngani nge-marketing. So it can be learned kona, it is a skill, but ngalesinye isikhathi ukwenza ukuthi sibantu sihlukene phela. So if you are not in it, just leave it alone and get someone else to do the part. Like marketing, we will come in and then we will do our job, obviously at a very small nyana fee. You know what I mean, yeah? All right. So now let's craft Emma irresistible offers. So the offer formula. So offer axio price, ne? It is the entire value package. So package yako or the story behind your product, the story behind your product ngiyo lesivame kunika i-price lesetulu ikusite ukuthi you can do what, you can put a price lesetulu. For instance, nangithi nje mine I sell dresses nga-450. Lo munye utothi okay, especially ngale madress akho why ingayiphephi ngothenga idress ya-200, you get. So lo munye athi why ngingakatopa pasi ngifuna idress ya-100 rand, you get. So lo I sell dresses nga-450, it might really make sure ukuthi it helps you ukuthi ungatholi ama-custom because bantu bake ba-understand ukuthi why is the dress expensive, yabona. But la sengithi mina get a handmade Swazi print dress with 600 for only 450, it includes fee alterations. I-alterations kunokuthi asengithi impahla uyayithenga esitolo ngo-size medium maybe or size 32, but leli bhluko lakhona it is too big for wena. Ukhanze ukuthi umkhulu ngetulu but umncane ngephasi, uyabona, because angithi imidimba yethu ayifanani. So lo munye mkhulu ngephasi mncane ngetulu, you get. So ngendawo silo size 32 ukahle ngetulu kuphela but ngephasi akusasile size. So nasengithi-ke mina lakhaya we include i-free alteration, ngisho ukuthi sitakunciphisela noma sikukhulisele mahhala lolo kuthengela kithi, uyabona. Phindze ngithi i-delivery inini, it is in 24 hours, uyabona. Phindze ngithini, a matching head wrap 80 emalangeni for free nayo utayithola lapha. Uthi yonke into engunika yona mbamba ingi-780 but wena ngikunika nga-450 and kusele only 10 available this week. Anti ngiyakhumbula nasikhuluma about creating agents ukuthi bantu batshele ukuthi sitoko siyaphela nyalo and then people are going to just be flooding into your inbox because bafuna i-product letawuphela very soon. So uyayibona le difference lena ukuthi it is very huge. Le product yesithuku le singayithenga more. Why? Because sesi-understandile ukuthi what is behind lo 450, akusinje ukuthi i-dress ya-450. This is just an example, yabona. This is just an example. So kunalama 7 elements of an irresistible offer formula. Athini-ke? Lo wekucala, it is the core product or service, what you are really buying or what you are really selling, yabona. Bese sekuba ne-value stack, like everything included, le bonus, ama-extras and adds on, ukuthi mbamba kule package le ngithengako yini Meaning I am offering you what? A 7 days business masterclass, yes, but you can even have a one-on-one with me. You can also have what? You can also ask questions, and just because next month you can still call me. So see, you still have got access to me. If a mentorship, a lifelong mentorship. I would see now it is a value. Now it is what? It is a pack. Sekuyi-combo. So ibhizinisi yakho sokwesikhathi na une-special product, make sure ukuthi wakha ini, wakha emakhombo. Emakhombo akusiyi-rice nashukela nemafutha ekupheka ne, akusiyi-combo leyo per such. So i-combo, when it comes to us, it is the whole thing inside what we are offering, inside le service lesendayo. Then the total value, nangikutshela ukuthi yonke le vele ngikunika yona le, it might be worth 4,000, but mina ngikunika nga-300. Obviously people are going to be like, what, akusasine-discount phela le. Then people are coming in not because yabona i-price nayicale etulu yaya phasi, le ngcondo yomuntu ithini, ithi sekushiphile. And yakhumbula ukuthi I say to you guys, when we are dealing with people, we are dealing with i-mindset yomuntu nje, that's all. So once you understand the mindset yomuntu in business, then you are gone. Once you understand ukuthi ingcondo yomuntu icabanga kanjani, ingcondo yomuntu how human behavior, once you understand that, it is easy for you to sell. Then the special price ukuthi naye-ke i-price zami, like I've already said, the reason why ngingasho nje mina ukuthi why are you giving this deal, ngithi mina-ke it is because I'm trying to empower my business people in Swaziland. And do you understand ukuthi most of the time lama reasons lawa, for instance, lawa nangithi nje mina I'm just trying to help business people. Are you sure it is really about helping business people? So most of the time we should question those things, but we give out these things so that people can be interested in what we're doing, can be interested in what we're selling. Base is scarcity. Scarcity is very, very important. Why? Nansi nje limited time only, or limited spaces. Obviously, umvuto uthi if I don't pay today, sasa ngente angivuke ema spaces sekaphelile. You get? Bese sokuba ne-guarantee or proof, i-risk reversal noma i-social proof. Yini lengenda ukuthi ngijoyine le nto yakho, ngithenge le nto yakho, ngiyithembe njani mina le juice yakho ukuthi vele umkhaba wami itamehlisa? Ngiyithembe njani ijuice yakho ukuthi vele itangikhuluphalisa, namaphilisi akho atangiphe ama-hips? You see, all those things are questions that the people are going to ask when you are presenting what? Your product or your service. Leni yini, ngibani lo munye lokumsebentele le nto loyithengisako, ngibani nomunye loyisebenzisile wasebenza. Eish. For example, asesibuke 949. Let's say you are a fitness coach in Manzini. So naye-ke indzaba, it's a 30-day fitness transformation program, all right? You understand? It's in value stack. I-value stack ithi le 30 days workout plan bamamba in 500. I-custom meal plan in 300. Weekly check-in, it is 400. Private WhatsApp support in 200. I-receipt book 150. Uyabona ukuthi the total it's 1.6. But lo muntu uthini-ke special price sithini, it is 600. Se-special leso. So uyabona ukuthi umuntu na ubuka le total value and the special price, then ingcondo yomuntu is wow, this is what? This is a huge discount, and then they are willing to come. They are willing to come. Then 90 minutes. Why am I launching this? I'm launching this program and need 10 success stories for my portfolio. So mbambamba, it is not about business. And trust me, it is never not about business. Angekwendeke ukuthi decide nje ukuthi sifuna kwenda into le free siphe bantu nje. No, like I said on Monday last week, ukuthi there is always a cost, or there is always a price attached. There is no free product. Nyakumbula, what we spoke about that. There is no free product in the market. All right. I'm here. Sorry about that. So, bese sekuba nane scarcity on only 10 clients. Yes, I'm here. I'm back, Nana. I'm back. It was my audio here. It was off. Sorry. Then, guarantee it's in. It's if you follow the plan for 30 days and don't see results, I'll give you another month free. Ne? So this one is an irresistible offer. Uyabona ukuthi lento ukupackager ngendlela yokuthi everyone or anyone can be willing to take part because kuba ngathi yabona in business tell the customer ukuthi this is about them. Like there's someone here lotsengisa ema-jacket emabhele like ema-jacket. So abona ngithi mina ukuthi maswatla mahle ngiyanitsanza ngiko nginifunela tinto letishibhile. You do understand ukuthi mbambamba it is not because you want the people ukuthi bathole ama-jazz, but it is because it is all about mana ngithi, but always make the customer feel like it is about them every time. The time ubheka leli customer embili, ema-customer athanda kuba special, ema-customer athanda ku-treat-wa in a different way ukuthi ya vele I'm just doing this for you, ngikwendela i-favor. Just show it like we are doing the customer a favor in whatever you are doing, and they will be willing to pay even more. So they are just like that. So it's in the psychology of value. People don't buy based on price, they buy based on perceived value. You get what I'm saying? Umuntu akathengi le price, but uthenga le story behind the price. Buka na info naye. Option A. Option A uthini? 300 emalini for a basket. But nasengiqhamuka mina ngithi 300 emalini for a handmade swazi basket woven by rural artisan women using techniques passed down 5 generations, supporting local communities, perfect for what? For home decor last 10 plus years. Ase sibuke ke la lo 300 kuthi simjustify njani like option B. 300 for a handmade uyathi ukuthi tinto leti handmade tidulile. Hamba uthenga tincabule phela lapha emarket, hamba uthenga toni lapha, hamba uthenga ema-made lakhiwe ngelidins. Those things are handcraft and they are expensive. Learn, it is handmade. Yonke into le handmade, it is very very expensive, my brother, trust me. Ngiko timoto kune custom made bo Ferrari nabo Bugatti. Why? I-custom made is very expensive. So uyambona Taylor lokwakhela info specifically lokuthungela i-dress njengoba nje umtimba wakho a-shapeless kanje, bese kuba naTaylor lothi mina ndakugcokisa sisi ube muhle, utawuthi na ungenela emshadweni batawucabanga ukuthi nguwe futhi le bride, ndakugcokisa mina le suit na uceda uyifaka toba ngathi kushada wena, you know. So uyabona nakunaTaylor lotokara umtimba wakho athi ukuthi wo wena unemkhaba, kusho ukuthi akufuneka ugcoke idress letakubamba kakhulu because yakubamba kakhulu tovela ini, tovela umkhaba. Athi okay wena maybe uneshwapha, athi ndawakhela idress lengeke irivile sishwapha sakho. So lenye into lesishayako maybe even as business people ukuthi it is not every product that is for you. It is not every product that is for you. Ngingayigcoka mina info letsite ibe right kimi, but akusho ukuthi toba right kuwe. Just because iGucci or noma iLouis Vuitton akusinkinga, but kuyenteka ukuthi ugcoke iGucci kube ngathi ugcoke iphepha. Mina nangigcoke iphepha kuba ngathi ngigcoke iGucci because ngigcoka info lehambelana nemtimba wami. So kunebantu labangadadi imitimba yabo ukuthi mbambamba injani, and uthenga i-designer dress and uyadada ukuthi umtimba wakho ushapeless. So ufuna ukusikhulumisa nje usingasafuni le phathini asakhona ekucabanga kahle because wonke umuntu ubuke wena ukuthi okay seyisuka ngeke usibongile manje, yabona. So just know your body, just know your body. Just because bekugcoke i-role model yakho, it doesn't mean ukuthi umtimba wakho uyi-role model lento. Hmm? So know yourself, know your body well. Uthi mine ngithanda tintfo letingibambako. Mine ngithanda tintfo letinkhulu. As a lady nje, just know yourself and accept yourself ukuthi okay mina vele nginje ngigcoka 36D ebhodini but ngisayizi 32 emtimbeni. You know yourself now so that you dress for your body because angeke mina ngikuthembe with your service if you cannot take care of yourself, you cannot present yourself well. Labanye bantu emasudu akabathanzi. Isudu is not for everyone, trust me. Isudu is not for everyone. Some of you just need to dress casually and we have just closed the business deal. The day you wear a suit, utoba like Mr. Bones, like isuka ngani ke manje yabona. So just know yourself, know your body so that you can be able to present yourself. Remember ukuthi sakhuluma ukuthi you are a brand on your own before your business. So uyi-brand kwawena ne. So let's move on. So kunanamagama nawo lesiwasebenzisa when nasakha i-offer yethu like ema-quality words. Ama-quality words, just make sure ukuthi lamagama lawa you've got them on your list, and when you're advertising make sure at least one or two of them are there. So kunema-quality words, kunema-emotional words, kunema-agency words yabona. So I think you are going to find them on the PDF once I send you the notes. Ne? I don't mean don't write them down. If you ask me something that is already on the notes, I will block you, my friend. I'm telling you. If you ask me something I've already said or already on the notes, I'm going to block you. You try to call the police. Let's move now. So make sure we see you write down 5 value words you will use in your offer. Ne? So those words are in the notes. And I assume you're a good student. I know there's someone right now long popular ekhatsengubeni. Hey, you guys are miracle workers. You attend class inside blankets. Hey, some people are so advanced. All right, so it says persuasion and the psychology. But sengelani bandlu. Ungazuhleke empilweni. Ungemvula osethi ngubeni yalo. Uthi useklasini nakasho and utitshela ukuthi yena usmart nangikhuluma nje utongiva. If I meet you on my inbox, my friend, you will see what I will do to you. So why do people buy? So people buy for two reasons. Esikhathini lesiningi, it is to gain pleasure, kwesibili to avoid pain. Every product, everything lesithengisako, it can be categorized in these two things. We understand ukuthi almost 80% of the things you buy from the shop atsiwo ma-necessities. Akusito tintfo lotidzinga mbamba, tintfo nje lotifunako sikhathi lesiningi. Nawubuka indlu yakho nje nyalo nje ngithi just look around you kuthi naye indlu loyithenge na last month lo munye uze uyilebhayile lo munye uze do you really need it? No, but you bought it. Wazoboleka imali kusibali just because you want to buy it. So it is either you wanted to gain pleasure or you wanted to avoid pain. Asesingene deep into it utawubona ukuthi ngisho ukuthini. That's it. So everything ingena lana ke. How do we talk about gaining pleasure? For instance, umuntu uthenga why? You just want to look better. So ngenta ukuthi lecathulo utithenge hayi ukuthi bodithenga and idulile futhi, but because bofuna kubukeka ngathi ungimisisi noma bofuna kubukeka ngathi ungimiste, then you bought those shoes. For what? You wanted to look better. Then you wanted to feel confident. Scarceless names bantu sine-low self-esteem. And if sine-low self-esteem, kusho ukuthi isikhathi esiningi we don't feel confident with our looks. If you think I'm lying, ask yourself, how many times do you look at yourself in the mirror before you go out in the morning? How many times do you look at yourself in the mirror emtoye dolobheni emini? So you see, kunanayo lack of confidence. So people buy things because they want to feel confident. Emadima awardsing, but uyawufaka Why? Uva ngathi nangifaka imali yangiseyintweni. Le bag lo uyiphatha every time now e-town awuyidzingi, but wayithengiswa yini? You just want to feel confident. Nawe kuthi useyintweni. Le All Star oyithengile nje nayi ya awuyidzingi bamamba, but you want to feel confident. So already I can see people here are guilty. I'm not judging you now. I'm just saying, So some things we buy because we want to do what? We want to save time. Ayikuthi imoto bengiyidzinga but ngifuna kusheshe ngifikelele engiyakhona, so I'm going to buy a car for that. Angisathandi ukugibela ikhumbi, so what? I'm going to buy a car for that because ekhumbini bayasipakisha basipakishise kwethu ingulube, so angisafuni ukugibela ikhumbi, sengifuna kuhamba ngani ngemoto. It is what? I just want to save time. Lokunye I'm buying because I want to make money. I'm just buying this thing because ngifuna kwendani, ngifuna kwakha imali. I want to be admired, I want to experience joy, I want to achieve goals. So you understand ukuthi tonke le tinto leti, it is not really ukuthi you need the thing, but you want it. At one of these reasons for what? For gaining pleasure. Bese nasikhuluma about avoiding pain. Ngalesinye isikhathi we buy some things because asifuni ku-embarrasswa. Right now kunemuntu losebenzisa ikekesi because of what? Akafuni ukuthi kuba yi-blackberry like me. So yena ufuna kuba yi-white whatever, ufuna kuba yi-white chick, ufuna kukhanya, so that's why you're using skin products. You get? They want to stop embarrassment. Lo munye right now uthenga ama-hips ekufakwa. Why? Because kadze kwase bamtshela ukuthi unesishwapha, so nyalo uthenga ama-hips ekufakwa, and then for what? They want to stop embarrassment. Labanye they buy things because they want to eliminate stress. Ukuthi abona le nto yekupheka le iyangigcina, so I'm just going to buy an air fryer and put everything there. You see? Because of what? You want to eliminate stress. You want to reduce risk. So some things sithenga because sifuna kuthini? I want to reduce risk. That's why angifuni ukuphatha imali, it's better ngiphethe ikhadi. I want to reduce risk. Sometimes I want to save money or loss aviation. I want to save my money, so instead of ukuthi ngiphela ukugibela ngiye lana ngiye eDurban, ngisuke business meeting eDurban ngiye eMorocco, why not just buy a car noma ngithenge a plane ticket? You see, it is what? To save money, then to prevent problems. So kunetinkinga lesisave ngani? Just by buying some stuff, buying some products. Instead of ukuthi ngithumele umfana ahamba ekamakhelwane yobuta ukuthi gogo bani uyahamba yini namuhla, I just pick up my phone and call. So I need the phone to do what? For convenience. I want to prevent problems, ne? I want to escape discomfort. So everything lesiyithengisako can be categorized in these two areas. So yabona-ke ukuthi reasons for people to buy just two. Now let's use this. Okay. So wena kufanele make sure ukuthi-ke ukufaka kokubili letinto leti inside your copy. Let's look at this. Example, I'm selling a business course. Kwekucala, if I'm talking about avoiding pain, ngidawuthini? Tired of struggling to find customers, frustrated seeing your competitors succeed while you are stuck, afraid your business will fail. Yabona, letinto leti, they are what? This is what we talk about nasikhuluma ngekuthi nasikhuluma about avoiding pain. Then if you want to gain pleasure, imagine having customers coming to you. Picture yourself making 10,000 plus per month. Feel the pride of running a successful business. Then you offer solution. Your offer should take both from pain to pleasure. So scarce listening, bantu bayayithanda ini i-transformation. Bantu bafuna kusuka la ekustrugglisheni baye lapha to gain pleasure, and now the solution yakho, that is what they are willing to pay for. So the solution is to from the pain they want to avoid to the pleasure they want to gain. That solution, that transport mode, that transition and transformation, okay, now I'm coming to your business course because a business yamming now, man, and the skills coming as but I cannot get customers. So with the 7 days course, let me come and join the 7 days course for what? Because in Funaxuga Langtela. So this is just a clear example of invalid practical that you and I have experienced maybe over the last few weeks. Yabon. Now, nasibuka the 6 principles of what? Of our persuasion. Kanjani? Asesibuke naye i-principle by Dr. Siadin. Ithi nge-principle number 1, ithi i-reciprocity. Uthini ke lo mthetho lo? Uthi people feel obligated to give back when they receive something. Alright? Kanjani ke? Asesiyibuke kanje. Umuntu utiva ngathi kufuneka sale, uyabona umuntu nawumnika into aze abe nemahloni ukuthi hey nami sekuthi sengikukhipha nje, uyabona? Buka ke la. Nangathi nje mina I'm going to give free value first. Epage lam on my Facebook, I'm going to be giving what? Free tips, free samples, noma free guides. And iyakhumbula ukuthi ngithinte there is nothing that is free. You get? There is nothing that is what? That is free. And then ask for the sale later. All right, let me just do this. You do understand ukuthi in the meeting today is in 25, right? And kulo 25 lo, 26 now. Let me say minus myself, 25 here. You do understand ukuthi ngende ukuthi half of you guys are not part of the May class. And then the other half, I sent the link also where to the public group. Sending the link to the public group was not a mistake. It is a strategy. Why? I am just doing as if I am giving a free class today to them. Mbambamba, the free class, it is just to say, do you see what we are doing? So no muntu was whoever the taste of the class, they are now willing to pay for the next one, even if they doubt. So they are now willing to come in for what? For June intake. I'm just giving you a simple practical of something that I do and that works. Kunebantu laba here who paid for May class because I did this on April class. There is nothing free in the market. There is nothing free. So I've been giving you free tips all week. Now I have a special offer just for you, my followers. Saying introduce it's in the special offer. Principle number 2, this principle of scarcity. People want what's rare or running out. Ngiyakhumbulana ngithi bantu bayithanda indalo. Bantu bayithanda into lephelako. Nangithi nje mne limited quantity, only 5 left. We understand ukuthi le system lena bayisebenzise titolo le. Bathi offer noma price available until stocks last. And you understand ukuthi isuke sikhona esinye isitoko lesifakwe storeroom. Lesimele kuthini? Kuthi kuthengele abantu labangu-5 bese sebashintsha iprice bayibuyisela back to normal. And wena na usuka le ngudzeni udrive noma ugibela ibhasi uye kaManzini, angeke usajika lesitolo sovele ufikile angithi. So dayithenga ke lento, but soyithenga ngale price wena usuke le ekseni ngebhasi yanga 6 because ufuna ini special sanamuhla. And the special sanamuhla angeke usikhanze because it wasn't there really, but we just wanted you guys to jump around. Niyathi bafati ukuthi bendani bafati bashayelana ukuthi sisi kunendalo kuphi, and then they just go there as a group. It is part of marketing, yabona. It is just part of marketing. Bese nangithi nje mine for VIP customers only. Definitely I'm going to get people there because people love to be treated special, like I've already said. But just make sure it must be real scarcity. Don't fake it. In as much as I know, most people fake this thing. Most shops, they fake this thing. But that balalapa in small words, but limited stock. Noma bathi while stocks last. Ngemagama lamancane. Most adverts, even if it is an audio, low limited stock, utomusho ekugcineni fast nakhona so that ungamuva and not pay attention to it much. Are you still with me? Are you guys still with me? Okay. I can see at least some people are still with me. Bese sekuba ne-authority. People follow experts and credible sources. You understand that if I did not convince you guys, I know what I'm doing. Kuleya video that you guys, most of you saw. If I did not present myself as someone who knows his story, what if nje bengingita or uva ngathi hayi story salo mnethu asihlangana. But you are here because I established what authority. Like no. The guy knows his stuff. Even if song in a waiting list, the messages I keep sending there, they are just to confirm to you. No matter so many doubts, this thing is real. This thing is real. So we use all those things because I mean, I'm teaching you something that has worked on you. Some of you joined the class because of what they said. This guy knows what he's talking about. Language yam, it is for business people, so you understand that no, this guy is at a certain level of business. He understands and knows what he's talking about. That's why you trusted me and you got into the class. That is what authority. So nawe kule field lokiyo ungabi nema-question marks, ungabi i-expert le nama-question marks ukuthi I'm not sure. No, we don't talk about not sure. Kunemagama longawasebenzisa kubalekela, like if you ask me any question right now and I don't know the answer, I am going to tell you that, okay, you know what, let me just get back to you in the next 30 minutes. I'm going to inbox you. Why? Angifuni kube like I don't know. I am going to do my research after that and come back to you with an answer. That is how you establish yourself as authority ku-field yakho. Kuthi ungithishela right now, it is okay. Show us ukuthi you know what you are teaching. You get? Kuthi uranisha salon, it is okay. Show us ukuthi uya-understand ukuthi kunebantu labase-salon right now, they don't know ukuthi kunema-chemicals lokawamikisa enhloko yemuntu. Kunebantu right now labacothuke tinwele e-salon because lo muntu lochinako akade ukuthi loku naloku awukubhica enhloko yemuntu. Kwenta njani? Ususa tinwele abade. So those things, those small things in your field, let us ask you any question in your field and be ready to answer us. So when it comes to business, whatever you ask me, I'm ready to answer because it is my field. When it comes to marketing, when it comes to selling, that is my field. When you ask me anything there, I will give you an answer. Nangithi nje mina, we have to share your credentials. Kusho ukuthi sikhombise ukuthi le nto loyifundzisako uyifunzephi. And then nangikhipha certificate tami ukuthi okay, these are my certificates. What I'm teaching, I know. These are my achievements. What have you achieved? Sikhombise tithombe ukuthi these are my projects. Now my projects now. Ube ngimeselane, but show us houses that you have built. Nayi indlu yami. Asisho ukuthi hamba weba indlu debantu ukuthi postela ukuthi takhiwa nguwe bese usakhela uyamathi meselane no checks umthoyi. Achekise, I mean umthoyi, a toilet, achekise umthoyi umnyango unga-understand ukuthi wait a minute, ngiyayathi door frame kona ukuthi njani, but le shape le akusasiyo. So bakhona bomeselane labanjalo. Ungabi ungalingisi lishangane likutshela ukuthi mina ndakwendela konke. At the end of the day they mess up they mess up your things. Don't be like that, ne? Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Usitshela ukuthi wena wathi kwenta i-business website la ubuye usendele imanga la. So please, in your field, whatever field lokiyo, be an expert in it, ne? Establish authority. Show us you have got experience, you've got credentials, and iyasebenza lokho ukuthi how many years you've been in business. So mina njani nangithi with 10 plus years in sales and marketing, I've helped over 100 businesses 10 times their revenue. It is because I've already done this achievement yam nam. There are people who have come to us for a very long time. We've been doing this business thing. We have failed in many businesses before. So angikhulumi just because maybe ngicale last week and say no, I'm going to do this course. No, my friend, I have tried business. So business is hard. Business is hard. Business can kill you. Some of you right now une-BP, une-stress, not because indvodza, it's business. Business will mukura you, man. Will beat you so hard. Business is stressful. Unga-understand ukuthi ngithenga isitoko sa-50,000 sekwente njani ukuthi emasales sengi-24,000. Asa-understand nanawo, but kuthengisa wena esitolo. That's business. These miracles happen. This type of miracles ukuthi ucuphe esitoko nga-50,000 but uthengisa nga-24,000. Those are miracles in business that are wonderful and you cannot explain them. Ukuthi kwenteke njani la, understand me. It happens. That's business. It's not easy, my friend. Business is not easy. Ungakhanza abantu bawa ebhizinisini, it's not because bayathanza abakadla isitoko or what. This is business will humble you. I'm speaking from experience. I have failed in a lot of businesses, I'm telling you. I have tried business. I've tried simple business, failed. It's not a joke. Business is not a kid's game. That's why we are here today, you and I, because we want to improve our businesses. I see only business. Umangala ukuthi ngishawe yini la, understand ukuthi mbambamba ngishaywa yini. Uzucoshe tisebenzi ucabanga ukuthi tidla imali yakho. It's business, my friend. Akusithi isebenzi. That's business for you. Let's move. Consistency. So people want you to be consistent, like we covered on day one. Then social proof. The social proof satsini ikhuluma ngema testimonials, ema reviews, how many people have bought this before and after results esinin. And ngiyakhumbula ukuthi I said make sure ukuthi before usebenzise isithombe semuntu uthi it is your client. Before usebenzise isithombe semuntu kanjalo, ngiyacela bazalwane ukuthi ask for their consent phela. Ungathathi isithombe just because uthenge kuwe akusho ukuthi salohambe yombroadcaster ukuthi uthenge kuwe. Ingcenye banganini bakho batshele ukuthi uthenge lento eDubai, wena nyalo sompostile ukuthi happy customer. Happy customer njalo usezulwini wena. Happy customer njani nje ukamdobha phansi kamanzini wena. Mina ngithitheleni phami ngithenge eDurban le, bengiseDurban last week. So ask for permission from your people ukuthi oh ngicela, especially asengithi nje wenda i-photography, nginalabanye photography la. Umuntu usoshuthile ke maybe akusina na wife wakhe noma husband wakhe noma boyfriend wakhe lo steady, maybe beyasesangakamvedi nasekhaya, so mpostile uthi wena happy couple, very good customers. Hey my friend, my friend, are you okay now? So awutisebenzisi tithombe tebantu ungakaceli. Siya understand ukuthi uthenge kuwe vele, yes, but phela buta kucala, can I please use your image? Imagine nje la, imagine ngilokuthi maybe anibonakala. Okay Mr. Mamba, maybe wena buso bakho kuyabonakala la. Utawuthini kusasa mina nanguposta ka Facebook ngithi nangi Lucky Mamba nangu seklasini lami. But nababuka la Lucky Mamba bathi hawu akusi MP wakuphi kuphi lo, and mina I've shown you ukuthi you are my student, but lo MP lo ufunza kulaba bafana laba, you see. So so guys, you protect your people, you protect your clients. I understand ukuthi at least because it is a serious one, then at least I've got confidence ngithinking. But wena sothethe ke lapho uposte mine, ungiposte ukuthi ngithenge isehlisa amafutha or noma sehlisa umkhaba la kuwe. Ngalo mzuzu umkhaba wami solo lungaka, kepha wena uthi ungithengisele wehlisa umkhaba. So please ask for your consent as customer before you can use them, ne? Thank you. Then principle number 6, people buy from people they like. I think we covered this one good day one. Would see make sure would see labanye bantu bathenga because bathanza wena, labanye bantu balana nje because they love me, not because they are really interested in the cause, they just love me. So I understand it is just part of a business and stuff, ne? Then naso kubhica ke lento le ungakubhica kanje. Ngakhi example about our course, ne? Let's look at it like this. Hey family, I struggled for 3 years to grow my business. After 10 years, helping 100 plus businesses, I've mastered the formula. I've been sharing free tips all month. Now I want to give you something special. The same system, 200 plus webantu abayisebenzisako yenyuse imali yabo. Only 10 spots available this month, 6 already taken. You've been following my content because you want to grow, right? This is how you do it. We understand that I can just decide that I'm going to be sharing free advice for the whole month of June or the whole month of May. Bese month end, ngitshela nje bantu ukuthi I'm only taking 10 students this month end. And the price malini 1.5 per student. Awucabanga ukuthi I would make more money like that if I decide ukuthi no, I'm just only taking 10 people per month, nayi price. I will make more money because those people who are going to come there, but like I said, Putin, they will be serious people. It won't just be everyone. So that is just business. Basically, the 5-step sales process. So kufuneke wakhe i-connection nema-customer akho, like I said the other day. So lokunya, it is just a revision, ne? Build the connection ne-audience yakho nebantu bakho, babite ngemagama, like, or like I told you ukuthi nginganibita ngemagama ngithi Mr. Mamba, not because ngiyakwathi Mbamba, but because your name is right here, yabona, or even if when you are calling. So those things, build lama connections lawo bese udiscover ema-needs. Bona phela ukuthi what do people really need, what are they really looking for, yabona. Don't jump to selling, listen. Now business, spend more time listening than what, than speaking. So spend more time listening than speaking. So ungajambi to conclusions, basically answer yakhe, then you start selling from there. Then you present my solutions. Make sure ukuthi yonke into loyithengisako loyendako, it is doing what, it is addressing a certain problem. So wena uletha in i-solution. Alright, bese uhandlisha ama-objectives kahle. The goal is to remove barriers of buying. Umuntu nje nakathi it's too expensive, ungasho ukuthi okay ke ngicela kukwehlisela nga-20 rand. Once you do that mistake, already you have lost it. Sikubita nge-price war, and you will never win a price war. Nakathi umuntu it is too expensive, ithini answer yakho? Thani ke wena, I understand, let me break down the value. So instead of talking about the price, talk about the value of the product. Instead of ukuthi ukhulume ngekuthi okay maybe ngiyakwehlisela noma ebuild it ishiphile kunalana, don't go for the price. Talk about lokuthi yabona le nsimbi le ngisebenzise ushisela la, akusile aluminium nje le shiphile lethengiswa eJozi le aluminium le equality. So you see, I'm talking about the value of my product. Ungakhulumi ngeprice. Why negotiate price? No, don't negotiate price. They only negotiate price with you because available ukuthi wena uthengisa kumele kungapheli. Tell them to go and negotiate price kuphi? ePep. Tell them to go and negotiate price eShoprite. They don't negotiate price there. Bayinegotiate la kuwe because beva ngathi wena uncencile ukuthi vele bathenge la kuwe, and uyathi ukuthi every time utikhombisa i-customer ukuthi u-desperate noma uncencile, they will use you. They will definitely use you. So every time yenda angazi uya-understand ukuthi kunebantu who wanted to join the class and they were like, please say, can I join the class? I'm going to pay like this, or I'm going to do like this. I mean, I'm doing this and that. Basho my profiles abo lasetulu. And they think maybe I'm going to say, oh, please join. You're a big person. Show yourself as a bigger person. Like I always tell you, I understand and I know with most of you here, you are way better than me in life, but I know how to deal with the mind of a person. I know how to do sales. I know how to deal with the mind. So you don't talk about price, never negotiate price, talk about the value. Then, let me think about it. Of course, What specifically do you need to think about? Maybe I can help you clarify. Uyabona lokuthi lo muntu awumekile nje ahambe. So labanye benu le customer niwashiya kanje umva wathi okay asengicabanga. Kusasa umshayeli awumbhaleli ne-text ukuthi awu enkosi athi sigcine sikhuluma la phela ngale ndzaba leya. Yabona? You are doing a follow up but lengabi desperate. Lengakhombisi futhi ukuthi u-desperate. Ube like awu athi inkosi lana ngidibane I was looking at my journal ude ngisho nale journal uthi I was looking at my diary ude nale diary and then ngikhanza ukuthi angathi sike sakhuluma ngendzaba ye-quotation ye-aluminium gate usigcine sithini ke phenkosi athi oh hayi ngagcina ngithi ngihambile kepha yini lobokucabangayo. You see now you have got the customer back but ube like wenda i-follow up but lengasi follow up. So ungavele customer vele u-desperate ufuna i-follow up. No, we don't appear like that, ne? Then nakathi umuntu I need to ask my spouse noma asengikhulume nemkami. Yayibona le response ukuthi ithini? Kunebantu labavika ngema-spouse abo. It works. It works every time. Abona nabe angifuni but angifuni ukukhombisa angifuni. That's okay. Asengikhulume nemkami ngidawubuye ngikushayele. No, I'm gone. I don't want the thing. People do like that. Banga ema-clients la hambe kuwe athi ayokhuluma nababa wasekhaya, ayokhuluma nama wasendlini. Bangaki? They've left you, my friend. They left you. I'm not laughing at you, but yes, now it happened. Let's move. Mlungisi, stop laughing now. Labantu batova ngathi ngiyabahleka la. But info le real, people make excuses ngama-spouse abo ukuthi okay asengicheck namake endlini. Ngalo mzuzu ude nalo make endlini. People. Customers will kill us one day, I'm telling you. So athi uyakhuluma namake endlini make longekho. Then athi nomunye athi I'm not ready yet. Okay. When would be the right time? Like ngikushayele nini just to check. Asho ukuthi oh next week ubhale phansi ukuthi next week custom. So objections are questions in disguise. Answer them. So ungaliyeke nje customer lahambe sinome. Always play around with lama excuses out. Trust me, customers make a lot of excuses. Ungene kangakhi mandiyeni wena wabute ma price wabese uthi I will come back my friend. How many times have you done that? You are guilty yourself. Kaze kwazandlala ngemandiyani say I'm coming back my friend. All right my friend, let me go and get money. Azabone manje ukuthi hayi labantu bamba bangabuyi man. Nyalo bakhambisa nemuntu vala sitolo ukuthi hamba ukhipha imali le dofika ubhadale khona hamba ale product. Because bayanathi ukuthi namba ningabuyi nini. Hey, you guys, you think you are clever. You always go out and then you never come back here. Now, let's close the sale. So, get the person to commit now. Now ukhuluma naleli customer. Ungakhulumi angathi vele info leniyiplan nako. So ngesikhathi nawukhuluma ne-customer khuluma ngathi info lokufuneka yende nyaka. Lo muntu ufuna athenge nyalo lo muntu lona kufuneke le info ayithenge nyalo, yabona? So just always be like that. Ukuthi no, buy the thing now, yabona? Assumptive clause, assume they are buying. So nathi okay asengicabanga uvele nje uthi great, which color do you prefer, red or blue? Perfect. What's your delivery address? Yabona khona na info na ile nto aboma ke basemarket. I always make an example using this. Now ufika labo market abathengisa ema-veg market sikhathi lesiningi. Now ubuta ukuthi ungalini banana lo makuvila akhiphe leli plastic lelimnyama athatha banana athi 2 rand mfana ngifake ngakhe. Uyabona ukuthi lo mvu ukushaya nge-blackmail but le pass because naso cabanga ukuthi angisamthengi lo banana make sovela upakishile. Makubuta ukuthi mngakhi izovela ufake 2 ecards. So already li-order lakho alisayi ngephasi kwa-2 and i-order lakho alisasho ukuthi hayi bengibuta nje manje because it's like lo muntu uyaguilt tripper. Uyak-blackmailer but in a quiet way. Mina ngibuta ukuthi ibhanana kumalini, yena sothela iplastiki sofaka ibhanana ekhathi. In fact niyalo sobambene le-apple ubuta ukuthi le-apple lona ulifunini. It is part of it is part of marketing. It is part of marketing. Always uthi nana, it can be annoying sometimes. So always assume ukuthi lo muntu uyathenga niyalo. So wena le-customer lihamba ngekuthi ukhuluma ne-customer uhleli phasi, liyafika esitolo sakho kumalini lokho, uhleli phasi wena urelaxed unake TikTok. TikTok akabhadali ama-bills ebhizinisi yakho. TikTok akakulethele ama-customer, wena ubukela i-comedy wena. Whenever a customer comes in, act like ungabuki uzakanamali lo. Because lenye into lesishaya ukuthi abantu sibagrade nge-dress code, sibagrade ngeminyaka. Lo mfana wathi ukuthi ekhaya kibo bamnikela ikhadi ukuthi hambe thenga konke lokufunako. And umfana nakathenga konke lakufunako akacabangi ukuthi kune-limit ema-expenses. No, uthenga nje sinoma. And wena le-customer uliprofiler lingene eminyaka ukuthi asengibekise nganabo bhuti labathi limela ligwayi insango. We understand ukuthi bakangi-2 kunana i-group le-actor ngathi rich, le gcoka nje fancy and stuff, vele ba-greedy nje, like vele nje ba-aggressive. Bese kubana naye i-part or le group le awumboni nje ukuthi lo mnethu uyembili noma uyemva empilweni. Ugcoke snacks, ngisho likhwapha akagezi, but unayo imali. So wena umbona ungena la mnyango, umbona ugcoka ngemabhutsi noma ungene ngemancapsi, libhluku likhwicile, ukhala blockile, ugcoke emakhala langahambelani, uthi wena akanamali ovela uhlale phasi. The person is a customer, he's here to buy, but because wena umprofilile wathi akanamali lo, somluzile. Lona ungena agcoke isudu akathengi. Do you realize ukuthi most of the time the customers you think are serious, they don't buy? Sikhathi lesiningi lama-customer langasagcoke kahle langasaright, they are the ones who don't buy. So don't always assume umuntu, always assume ukuthi he's here to buy and he's here to buy now. You will see how your sales are going to change, ne? Bese sokuba ne-agency clause ithini le? Ngilokwakha i-pressure ukuthi I only have 2 units left, you want me to hold one for you nyalo? Yabona? Noma uthi choice clause, uthi give options. Would you prefer option A or option B? We want to start immediately on next Monday. So we use letinvo leti kutsini kuthi umuntu athenge nyalo. So after you close, you shut up, you let them answer. Silence is what is powerful. Umuntu nakakubuka emehlweni esitolo udiva guilty kuthi abona nangaphuma manje ngingakathengi, ayi vele ngaba inkinga. Why? Lo mbuso ongibuka emehlweni ungibude ukuthi ngithatha khala bani. In fact sophethe ongi-2 emakhalas etandleni, left and right, kumele mina ukuthi ngikhethe. It is just part of blackmail. It's not really blackmail, it is part of selling. It is part of selling. That is just selling. You guys get what I'm saying? You get? You guys get what I'm saying? I know you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. Okay, ngifuna kuya ngale practical, but at the same time, the practical, if maybe I can send it to the group ngaba njani. Oh, kungaba njani? Okay, I want to try something. So if it works, it works. If it does not work, it does not work. It is not here. I'm trying something, just bear with me. Just bear with me. But this will need some data. Okay, it is working. All right. Okay. Kukho ne practical le benginakhele yona lengingathanda ukuthi nibe nayo as short videos anga-upload ngale ku-channel yethu. So I think it is working. I'm trying to send it as a document on our group ne. I'm trying to send it as a document on the group, so it is best. So nabe iyakhona kuhamba, wonderful, I can proceed here. So sisekanye